Welcome back, heroes. This is Christian back in with another video just for all of you guys. We are out here with the Toyota Supra. We got this new steering wheel for the car, suede sides, carbon fiber, got the carbon fiber paddles, and the no racing red stripe on top. I actually prefer this nice and clean look for the Supra. As you guys come in here and see, this is the steering wheel I have currently. Pretty similar, but no suede on the sides, stock paddle shifters, and the red stripe. I actually prefer the no red stripe. I know it looks nice, but it's just gonna be a nice cleaner look, especially with the red and the carbon fiber I already have here. But this, man, look at that suede, look at the carbon, man, it's gonna be nice. So I'm going to be having this steering wheel for sale very, very soon. But anyway, this is going to be the new steering wheel we're gonna put in. Like I said, the carbon fiber paddles looks much more OEM plus to me. And man, look at this interior with the red. I definitely just love how the Supra is coming around, how everything's coming about. What do you guys think? I think I might go with carbon fiber here, just to kind of match the carbon so it's a nice cleaner look. Or should I start getting a little bit of some suede in here just to kind of have a small match? But anyway, guys, let's get back to the video.
Keep it on. Keep it on. Keep it on.
Woo! So we went and got the carbon fiber Alcantara steering wheel in the Supra, and man, it looks so good. I had the carbon fiber before, but I didn't have the Alcantara or the carbon fiber paddles on both sides, and I just think this is a just really nice and clean look for the Supra. I also have a carbon fiber piece that goes over the top of this. I just haven't put it in yet, but I have the carbon piece that goes over this. So this will be carbon, this will be carbon, this will be carbon, these sides will be carbon, but this won't. Alcantara, and then this will be carbon. I also wanted to not have the red stripe on top. I think just going with this look here is a much cleaner look for the car. I think it just definitely makes it look much more premium in here. Definitely love how the red and the carbon isn't too much for me, but it's just enough to where it really adds something to the interior of the car. Man, this Supra is really shaping up to be really nice. I'll make sure I go ahead and clean this off, but I really wanted to show you guys just how it's looking now that I just got it installed. I gotta go ahead and clean out the rest of the car. But man, the carbon there, the blue, everything is starting to come out really nicely on this car. Just really loving everything that I have going on with the build. But man, I just really love this steering wheel, man. Like, look at this. This is so clean in here, so nice. Looks so good. The interior matches, the car matches. Man, like, look at that. Like, wow, like this, every time I do these videos or just see my car, I just can't believe this is my car. But Alcantara, I love the material. It feels smooth. I had the other carbon fiber in here, but it felt bulky. You know, it felt big. It felt like, you know, when the steering wheel was in your hands, it felt really big. This feels much more smooth, much smaller. It feels like it's just easier and better just to work the car, just having your hands in here. It really just feels that much better. Really loving just the interior, like I was saying. I literally just got this in and wanted to show you guys. Didn't want to make too long of a video. Gonna go ahead and just show you guys the new steering wheel. But this is the next phase, guys. We got, like I said, the ADRO side skirts, ADRO rear diffuser, Spats. We have the Supra, just so many things that we have done to this car, to this build. We have some amazing things that are still coming. I've had many of you guys asking for a full build and walk around of the car. That video is actually gonna be coming very shortly. So many mods have done this vehicle, so many things, so much time and effort, and just want to show you guys everything that's been done. But I truly have you guys all to thank for just everything that is coming about with the channel. We're getting close to 42,000 subscribers, guys, and we have so many cars to thank for that. Man, back from my Subaru days, to the C6 Corvette days, to the STI days, to the Honda Type R days, to now the Supra and the Corvette C7 Z06. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, go follow the dream, subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Hope you guys keep going after your dreams. Have a good one. Peace.